Hey guys, so the hottest thing that you can sell to local businesses right now is their own AI agent. This can live as a chat widget on their site and it's trained on their services, their pricing, their FAQs. It answers leads in their voice. It qualifies those leads. It books those leads and it runs 24/7. So today I'm walking you through that exact stack, which is Caude Code plus a tool called Poppy. And by the end of this video, you will learn how to implement the entire workflow and help local businesses around you. And by the way, guys, before we dive into today's video, I'd love to invite you all to the Creator Network Discord community, where a bunch of startup founders, designers, developers from all over the world, and we get together every single weekday to talk about different tools and topics. So if you want to join that chat, link is down below. All right, and the first place we're going to start at is this website called getpoppy.ai. And this is a tool that was built by one of my favorite YouTubers. But once you log in, you're going to get something like this, where you can just go up here and create a new board. And essentially this is like a visual canvas where you can add different things, right? I just added this like chat widget over here. I can move it around, but not only that, I can, for example, add different links to websites. I can add specific YouTube videos, Instagram posts. We can add Loom videos, files and media, recordings, text, annotations, links. We can even create mind maps. So it's basically like a content knowledge hub in this like Miro type of interface. But let's say that we find a local business. In my case, it's a business that sells accessories and parts for Toyota Tacomas. Shout out to Tacoma Beast, they're a great brand. And they sell different accessories that have to do with the exterior of the vehicle, the interior, the lighting, performance. They work together with different brands. Down here, if you click on this chat widget, it opens up and you can track your orders and you can search different topics where you can see their FAQs, but there's no real way to chat with them unless you're back online when they're online. So what we can do is we can create a new board in Poppy dedicated for this brand, and we can copy their website URL and paste it in here, paste in their FAQs page. They also have a fantastic YouTube channel, so we can copy their YouTube channel and paste that in here as well. And once we add their YouTube channel, it highlights their latest videos or their outliers. And you can kind of scroll through this feed and you can see which ones are performing well, which ones aren't. So for example, we can select this one that's performing pretty well and add that to the board. Also this one over here, we can also quick add their channel to the board. You can select their Instagram account and basically do the same thing. We can quick add the latest 10 reels, or we can select specific ones that we like and select and add. And slowly but surely our board is getting populated with the different content. And then once you start adding these different things, you can basically hold down Shift and start dragging and selecting different categories and grouping them together. And for example, this one can be called website. And then once you organize the content, what you can do is you can open up a new AI chat. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place it right here at the top. And then we want to connect everything to this AI chat. And obviously you can just do it with one category, but in my case, I just want to do it with all of them. And then once we have these connected, I'm just going to move that over here. And then this is where we can start a conversation with all of these pieces of content that we brought in. And right off the bat, I'm going to set this model to Claude Opus 4.7. And then we can write something like, tell me about this brand. All right, perfect. So it gives us a brand overview, what they do, product categories, media presence, content style and voice, business model highlights, and a winning content formula. Now, eventually the goal here would be to have some type of AI chat widget over here, which you can click and you can ask it anything, right? This AI knows everything about this specific brand. So for example, if you were to ask about a specific exterior product, like one of the fenders, and say, you know, what are the products, what are the fenders that are under $600, it can give you that right away. So right now you would have to go here, click on fenders, and then, for example, move this down here to about $600. And then we have these like 7 options. So what we can do is we can actually get this URL, and then we can go into Claude Code and we want to open up a new folder. In this case, I'm going to give it the name of the brand, and we can say something like, can you generate the sitemap of this website and scan the contents of all pages and create a PDF file with the results? And basically, I tell it also all the pages that it needs to scrape. All right, and what it did is it gave me a full PDF document of all of the different products, but I also need the price and description of every single product. So I'm also adding that to the chat. And then once that's done, we get an 1,000-page file with the site overview, with all of the different products that we have, their pricing, their description. And what I can do is I can go back into Poppy and I can select this over here and click on API. And I'm going to first click on this link over here. And I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to want to go back into Caude Code and paste in the URL. And back in Poppy, you can scroll down on where it says show more. Click on that. And this is where you're going to see your API key. So you're going to want to copy your API key. And I can say something like, I want to use Poppy API to get the content in my Poppy board and create an AI chat widget for this brand. And then it's going to ask me some follow-up questions. So where will the widget live eventually in Shopify? But now let's just place it in some type of placeholder HTML page. Do I have the Poppy API key? Yes, I do. Plus the board ID. Yes, I do. And conversation persistence, we want to have it per browser session so that every time we open up a new page, it's still there. All right, and now we can test this out. So I created like this little clone of their website. Obviously still needs, fine tuning when it comes to design, but we have our widget over here and it's connected to Poppy via API. It's also connected to that doc that we created inside of Claude. And I can open this up and I'm going to write something super specific, like what products under the category fenders, bedside, and fiberglass are under $600. Let's go ahead and submit this. And then it says, based on the knowledge base, here are the products in the fenders, bedsides, and fiberglass category and their prices. And we get our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products that we saw on the website. But as you can see, it works. And then we can ask something else like, what's the best YouTube video to learn more about the fenders? And it says that there isn't any YouTube video that is specifically dedicated to fenders, but there is this video that, for example, shows like a full rebuild of a Toyota Tacoma, and it also shows how fender and body upgrades fit into a complete build. And so once we do that, we can say push this to a preview link using Vercel. And once you have that preview link, you can go ahead and open something up like Loom and start the journey from scratch. You go to their website, tacomabeast.com, and say, hey, you have a chat widget, right? You have limited hours. It says that you're back in 11 hours. Yeah, you can see the FAQ, but you can't really search for something specific. It's not really an AI optimized site. But what if we get all of your content in one place and we analyze all of your categories and all of your products and all of your pages? We create this one solution where it's AI driven and it's basically where anyone can just chat with anything related to your business. And for laying down the system for business like Tacoma Beast, you can easily charge like, let's say 1,000 to 1,500 for the integration that we did just today in this video. And that would cover the cost of the Poppy account and of the Claude credits. And you can upsell them to update their content at all times. And the best part of this all is that you can own the Knowledge Hub, which is like the Poppy account where all the content lives, Claude where you're actually building, and the knowledge updates, which kind of binds everything together. And for this over here, you can charge some type of recurring subscription. And again, if you can get multiple people on board, obviously this revenue starts increasing, and it's just a fun little business idea. So yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Really, really cool workflow with Poppy AI and Claude Code. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And guys, like always, thank you all so much for watching today's video. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.